Welcome to eWay-CRM tutorial videos. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and I want to show you how to create a deal in eWay-CRM. I'll use eWay-CRM online, but what I'm about to show you is pretty much identical in eWay-CRM desktop. Let's begin. eWay-CRM has a module called Deals. It's your shared database of business opportunities and potential customers, which is available for all team members with proper permissions. We want to keep eWay simple, and that's why we don't have any special module leads. We keep them in deals, they just have a different status. If you receive a business opportunity, you put it to deals and keep it here until the deal is closed, won or lost. What happens next is different in different industries. Some industries, such as manufacturing, construction, consultants, insurance brokers, and many others convert the deal into a project because they need to keep track of the delivery. Some industries convert deals into companies and contacts and provide their products and services as they go. Other industries, such as real estate, use our module Deals very specifically, and we are proud to see how flexible our product is. I already said that deals contain workflow, a list of statuses you go through as your deal evolves. During the deal lifecycle, you typically include emails, journals, documents, tasks, and meetings. Since eWay-CRM lives in your Outlook, saving emails is one of the key features that make it so special. There are two main options for creating a deal in eWay-CRM. The first one is manual, and the second is converting an email into a deal. Let's check them both. I'll start with the manual option. This is my eWay-CRM online inside Microsoft Edge. If you have just received a phone call or returned from a meeting, you can click New and select Deal. A new dialog opens where you can fill in your fields. This is our default form, which you can customize in eWay-CRM desktop using our form designer. I like to put the requirement into the deal name. My customer needs 10,000 custom metal stamps. Let me select the company and contact person, which will fill in the address, email, and phone. I don't know the rest yet, so I'll keep them empty and only put a quick note for myself to ask James about his son's baseball match next time I talk to him. It's his favorite topic. The top section represents my workflow, and I can freely move through the statuses. The workflow can be easily customized by clicking the pencil icon. We've recorded 2 videos that dive deeper into this topic, and we highly recommend watching them if you'd like to learn more. The first video covers basic changes, such as renaming statuses or rearranging their order. The second video explains how to set various workflow conditions, configure automatic actions, and much more. Now back to deals. For this video, let me just select the status qualification and save the deal. That's it. Using the Add New button in the toolbar, we can add new journals, which we use for meeting and call minutes, documents, or tasks. All your activities will show in the hub, sorted chronologically. To include emails, I'll go to my Outlook. This is the web Outlook with eWay-CRM online. If you select an email, the person who sent it to me appears in the preview panel. All I need to do is to click Save Email. eWay-CRM saves the email, links it with the contact, and suggests to me all companies, deals, and projects I could possibly want to link the email to as well. This is my deal. Let's click on it. Here we go. The email is now saved by the deal and shared with the rest of my team. How cool is that? Remember, this is just the very basics. We've recorded 2 special videos about saving emails manually and automatically to eWay-CRM. Because this video is about creating new deals, we won't go deep with email saving. As we are in Outlook, I want to show you the second option, converting emails to deals. Let's select this one from Robert. He wants me to quote our metal clamps. I can click this button in the preview panel and select Convert to Deal. eWay-CRM automatically creates a deal, fills in Robert and his company, and includes the email. Some eWay-CRM plans contain an inbuilt AI, which can extract data from sender's signature and fill in additional information. eWay-CRM marks all data recognized by AI so you can double-check it. Looks great. All I need to do is click Save. My deal was created in 2 seconds. 2 important notes before I leave you today. First, there are other ways to create deals. You can use our WordPress plugin or integrate eWay-CRM with your lead-generating tools using Zapier or Power Automate. They provide an amazing level of automation. Second, this video was about creating your deals. To find out more about managing your pipeline and customizing the deal form layout, workflow, or permissions, check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.